Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to add funds to your Steam wallet from your PayPal account. And now let's dive right in. Now to add funds to your Steam wallet from your PayPal wallet, first open up your Steam account on your browser or the Steam gaming software, any of that will do, and log into your account on which you want to add the funds. And you can see guys, I've already logged into my account, my Steam account on the Steam gaming software on my computer. And now to continue from over here, at the top right corner, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the Steam icon or Steam button available for us. Click on that Steam icon or button, and after that you can see the settings option available for us, where all of these bunch of options are available. Also, let's click on that settings. And over here guys, after the Steam settings of your account opens on your computer, when this tab opens, you can see there is the add funds option available for us under the category of account. But if you're somewhere else between these categories, this will not be available. So make sure to be in the account section. And after you land over here, again click on the add funds button available for us, and you'll be taken to this page where you'll be required to first choose the fund which you want to add to your Steam wallet through your PayPal. And I'll be going to the 5 USD. And the moment you click on that add fund button, you will be over here where you can see the payment method is the PayPal for us, along with these cards of ours. And in order to proceed with the PayPal guys, choose the PayPal, but if you want to proceed with your card, you can choose these and enter your details over here to proceed. But we'll be going to the PayPal. And after you have chosen your PayPal guys, click on the continue button over here. And over here you can see the PayPal transactions are authorized to the PayPal's website, and click the button below to open a new web browser window to initiate the transaction, which also says you will have a chance to review your order before it's placed. And click on PayPal, and a login page to your PayPal account will open, where you'll be required to enter your PayPal email address, and after that enter your password over here guys. And after you have entered your email address and the password of your PayPal account, click on login, and you'll be signed into your PayPal account, the same tab where you will be able to review view your Steam purchase on your PayPal wallet, and also will be able to confirm either to make that transaction or not. And with that being said guys, this is how you add funds from your PayPal wallet to your Steam wallet. And after you have guys got that confirmation from the PayPal wallet either to purchase or not Steam funds, go to that and confirm you want to buy or purchase the Steam wallet fund and add to your Steam wallet, and the transaction will be done from there. And with that being said guys, this is how you add funds to your Steam wallet from your PayPal wallet. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.